What if I told you that you could create an entire PowerPoint presentation in seconds with just one ChatGPT prompt? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% possible. Let me show you how. Alright friends, the first thing we do is go to the chatgpt.com website. In the ChatGPT message section, enter the prompt that I will give you so we can use the codes it provides in PowerPoint. Now, how do we insert them into PowerPoint? I will explain that in the next steps. The first thing we need to write is the VBA PowerPoint codes, a future of AI in 20 slides. Then we press the Enter key and wait for it to generate the codes. As you can see, it has provided the codes. Now I click on the Copy button, open PowerPoint, and notice that the Developer tab is missing from the top tabs. So first we need to add that tab. How do we do that? In this section, we right-click on the empty space, select Customize the ribbon, and scroll down. Here, we scroll down again, check the Developer option and click OK. As you can see, the Developer tab has now appeared. Now we click on it and select the first option, Visual Basic, which opens a new window. In this window, we go to Insert, click on the drop-down arrow, and select Module. Then we paste the copied code here by pressing Ctrl+V. Finally, we click Run. Now it generates 20 slides for us on the topic The Future of AI. As you can see now, we can select all the slides and go to the Design tab. For example, in the Themes section, we can choose the theme for the slides as you can see here. Alternatively, we can click on this section, press Ctrl+A to select all the slides. Then go to the Transition tab and apply the Push Transition to all the slides. Now, your presentation is ready. Now, if we want to add an image to our first slide, we go to the Home tab. Here in the Designer section, when we click on it, PowerPoint suggests some images and presentations themes. For example, I select this one for my first slide. For the second slide, the Designer tool also suggests different templates, and I can choose from them. If I click on See More Design Ideas, it will show me even more options. For example, I click on this one. The same process applies to the third slide. You can design all your slides with just one click and present them to your audience. Thank you for staying with me until this point in this video. See you in the next one and goodbye.